Good morning, lovely people. I've got an apology for you. Day 19, should have been yesterday. I forgot it. I had to go to college yesterday, do be 2395. I think I smashed it anyway. So today you're getting double bubble. You're getting 2 hits today. 2 lots of 22. One this morning, probably another one later on in the day. So here I am, out on the street, early in the morning, making noise, there's no one about. But here we go. Day 19, 22 to 22.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
There you go, lovely people. That was day 19, what you should have got yesterday, but you're getting 20 later on today. See you tomorrow.